have a ton of noise and I'm fighting the weather, but as long as things go right, I'm going to be replacing this, which has been causing my like the overflow light comes on and it shouldn't because it's full, but I think it's faulty, so I'm going to replace that and hopefully it fixes it. Let's get started. This guy, you got to take the battery box out, which unfortunately I had a bolt break off, which sucks, but 2 bolts. Take this hose off, take this hose loose, and then swap it out. Gotta take the plug loose. Gonna take this whole thing out too, which is a couple hoses, the strut bar, and a couple bolts, a couple plugs. Yeah. I'm joking. It's literally every day I work on this car. It rains. Yeah. So 14 miles and no coolant light. Normally it'd be like right there. See if it'll kick on with the turn the key on. Yeah, it's this goofy ass light. That's a success. We fixed that problem. So next week we'll figure something out. I need to do the temperature gauge. I was gonna do it today, but the weather looked like shit, so I didn't do it. Hopefully next week I'll do the new, like the aftermarket temperature gauge, and that'll give me a better idea. But at least the coolant light's not kicking on, which I know it was a fault, because there was tons of water in it, and it just would kick on at highway speeds. I don't know why, it's just goofy. So, but yeah, next week we will probably put the temperature gauge in and maybe swap that other door. But thanks so much for checking out my video. If you would, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications. It really helps. I do put out a video at least once or twice a week. It's either going to be car stuff or Fallout stuff or whatever I feel like doing, although lately I'm getting pretty into Starbase. I do stream on Twitch Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Although most of the time I get bored, I go live on Thursday and Saturday anyways. But if I am live, 9 p.m. Central, twitch.tv/Rotomon. If you want to check out all my links, rotomon.com. I have merch, shopprotomon.com. Thanks for hanging out, and I will catch you on the next one. Later, everybody.